Hey Emma, do you want to hear a story?
Yes, please. I'm all ears.
Great! Oh, and since our lovely audience is here, I'm going to share this really nice story with our beloved audience. Let's do this! Let me tell you the lovely story of my wonderful friends. Let's start. The story begins with three wonderful friends who are also very brave. So brave that they even dared to enter a cave which no one, not one person, dared to ever enter. Well, along the maze-like paths, Molly suddenly got lost. "Oh no! What should we do now?" shouted Sally. Then Daisy had an idea. They decided to team up together and search for Molly together. Soon enough, Molly got found. Yippee yippee yay 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 yay! They found Molly. But then, along the maze-like paths, Sally got lost again. So now, Daisy and Molly decided to go in separate paths, searching for Sally. But then soon enough, goodness struck. Daisy found Sally. She called Molly, and then the three friends united. They promised never to go in this cave again, not even for a second. And then out they went, because they had tied a string. And then they lived happily ever after, never ever going into the cave. And that's the story, my friends.
Wow, that's a wonderful story, Savannah.
Thanks a lot, but it's not over yet.
Huh? So speak up the rest.
Of course. Now this is the learning part. So what you see here is a simple subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the minuend, which is the largest number, is Molly, imagine. And in the subtrahend, the second biggest number is Sally. And then the last, the least number, which is the difference, imagine it is Daisy, MSD. So what to do if any of them goes missing? So our minion, our sweet little Molly, what happens if she goes missing? Well, calm down, because as per the story, Sally and Daisy both team up together to find Molly. In the same way, 3 plus 2, that's what you have to do to get 5. And then 5 is the missing number. We found Molly, our little adventurer. Now suppose Sally goes missing. Our subtrahend is right now missing. So as per the story, Molly and Daisy both split up in 2 different ways to find Sally. In that same way, we have to subtract 2, which is Daisy, from 5, which is Molly, to get our missing number, which is 3. 3 is our subtrahend, which is also Sally. Now we finally found Sally, our second little adventurer. So here I'm going to explain a big question, which is 467 minus a missing number. So our missing number is Sally, and we have to find our little adventurer, Sally. And also, this missing number subtracted from this number, 467, equals to 234. So what do you have to do to find Sally? Well, of course, Molly and Daisy, as per the story, went different ways. So we have to subtract it. Let's subtract it together. 467 minus 234, which is, here 3, and 2. So our missing number is 233. Good job, guys. We found Sally. Good job.